Hello, Jen. Today, learning log is going to be on the public writing skills of the brochure, um, the newspaper front page, what I will be doing with my colleague Vanessa tomorrow, and also the brief mention of the web page in this reading. First things first, the brochure. It's a great public writing strategy. I use that before my practicum, as I think I mentioned in class. But it's a great way for an alternative assessment. It's also another way to good way summary activity, or a good way to good like test review kind of thing. It's good for project-based learning, as Dave Kearns mentioned. It's a great way to get the kids engaged, get them out of the whole taking notes, learning the theory, direct instruction, and get them to explore on their own. Good inquiry-based learning. Good way the teacher can kind of set up a scope. What I did in my practicum is I set up a project where they had to pick 5 different respiratory system disorders, and they choose which one they wanted to do as a group. So they worked on collaboration with their classmates, and they went through communication with each other, and they made a product, and it was a great product. I have 2 examples here actually from my past students. This one here is a brochure on the asthma. As you see, it opens up into a very beautiful, visually appearing product. I had a good rubric as well, where the more straightforward the better. And I went through that, and the majority of my class did an excellent job. And here's another example, asthma again. I got them a good way. This one here is a little more in-depth than the other one, but it was good. It was a great way to engage the students, and I'll do that again in my next practicum for sure. The second one, the newspaper front page, which we will be showing in the class tomorrow, is a great way to get them engaged again. I never use it myself, but after looking into it and developing this presentation, I will definitely pursue using it. It's hard in phys ed, as you'll see tomorrow. But it's a great way to get them to make creative writing skills, get them to really think about the content literacy, and there's only a certain amount of words that they can use during this front page, only 200 words less, so it makes every word count. They can take the content knowledge related to real-world experiences and make that connection so they can actually comprehend it and use it in context, which goes great for learning. Here's a quick newspaper front page I made. Very unrealistic at the time, but as you see, at least win the cup in the year 2019. It was actually pretty fun to write. Me and Vanessa went through it and made it a little fantasy. We'll use this as a demonstration, as a model for tomorrow. Yeah, so that's another one, is the web page, which is a great way. I never use it myself, but I can see it being used. Just the technical difficulties of setting a web page up, and maybe see its relevancy. I could see more strategies being better than the web page myself. It just seems a little more in depth, but for certain things, I would definitely use it. Thanks, Jen. My time is up.